What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, we'll be doing a quick BTC analysis. You see, the last video I did, I talked about BTC dropping to 112k. I've been sounding the alarm, although quite a number of people did not agree, but I've been sounding the alarm that it needed to retest that historical level before we'll see any possibility of it going to the upside. And we needed to see how price would interact with that particular area, and then we can be able to make a decision on what would happen next. So this is it. This is the area we basically have to see how it will react with this support zone, because support is often a zone, it's not a line the way a lot of people draw it. They just draw a single line like this white line, but that's not support. Support is often a zone. So, and you have to see how price will interact within that zone. So the histogram is currently bearish. This is the daily time frame. So we have to see this histogram becoming light red or flip bullish before we could say anything bullish. But this may just be the end of the bull run in total. But let's see how price would react with this region. So at the moment, long position is not advised. Long position is not recommended. You have to think short, just look for opportunity to go short. So that's basically it. So, and see how price would react, but I won't even recommend either long or short, because at this point price could react really fast to the upside because is at support zone. So you basically just need to wait and see how price will react, and then look at the histogram, and then you could actually make a decision. So this is the daily time frame. The 4 hours time frame, we're still seeing selling pressure is increasing. This channel got broken. That's this channel. We're having this channel and it got broken, and I said if this channel should get broken, then that's a valid reason to go short. So channel broken, and we're at support zone, and we just have to see how price will react. So for now, you have to keep looking. Possibly when you see the light red on the daily histogram or it flips bullish, then that could be a confirmation to go long. But for now, the best thing you have to do is to keep watching. Just be on the sidelines until things get better, and then you can dive in towards the upside. You have to see how price will react within this um, support zone. Then you can be able to decide what to do next. I will always give you updates depending on market conditions. So you should subscribe to my channel. Please, if you find this channel useful, please subscribe. This is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video.